Hi students, this is Viswanath Chemistry faculty for NEET and IIT exams. Now see the organic reactions. Complete the following reactions. This compound is treated with HNO2 and this compound is also treated with NaNO2 and HCl. See here, this is amine. NH2 group is present, so it is a primary amine. It is treated with HNO2 means acid. HNO2, nitrous acid, it provides H plus ions. See here. This is the given compound. This HNO2 provides H plus ion, then bond breaking takes place at this. It is removed in the form of NH3, ammonia. Then a carbocation is formed. That is this one, CH2 plus. CH2 plus, it is a primary carbocation because carbon atom having positive charge is bonded with one other carbon. So here it is a primary carbocation. In this case, positive charge is present outside of the ring. In previous classes, we completed positive charge is present outside of the ring, then ring expansion takes place. Positive charge is present on the ring. That means one of the carbon atoms in the ring having positive charge, then ring contraction takes place. Here, positive charge is outside of the ring, so ring expansion. That means from this carbon to this carbon, bond is developed. At the same time, this bond is broken. Then ring expansion takes place. Ring expansion, we can get so this positive charge between this carbon and this carbon, new bond is formed and this bond is completely broken and this positive charge is shifted to this carbon atom. Then we can get this one. Now it is a secondary carbocation. Secondary carbocation. Now this positive charge is shifted to adjacent carbon atoms. Because here it is a tertiary carbocation. Already we know that carbocation stability. Tertiary carbocation having more stability than secondary and primary. That's why this positive charge shifted from this carbon to this carbon. Then we can get this structure. Now this compound is treated with aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH. Then OH minus ion is attacked at this position. Then we can get, see here, it is a 6-membered ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Me and OH. Actually, it is initiated by acid. So, it provides H plus ion. Then, dehydration takes place. Water molecule is removed. OH is removed by combining hydrogen either from this position or from this position in the form of H2O. Then double bond is formed. That is this. So this is the ring expansion. This reaction is an example for ring expansion. See the second one. It is also primary amine because NH2 group is present. It is treated with sodium nitrite plus HCl. Initially, these two reacts with each other and form HNO2. That HNO2 provides H plus ion. See the second one. This is NH2 gives rise to NaNO2 plus HCl. Then we can get carbocation. Bond breaking takes place at this position. It is removed in the form of NH3. Positive charge developed on this. and then it is treated with aqueous alkali, OH is provided, then attachment of this OH takes place. Now this compound is treated with acid. OH is removed in the form of water, then double bond formation takes place. So for second reaction this is the product, for first reaction this is the product. Okay students.